right? And then first thing what I look for is a couple of kicks. Now if I play that sounds like that. Well, it sounds like we've got like some sounds there already. So I'll zoom in there to try and get a good sound. And I shall zoom out. Then just a bit so I can work this out. And then I'm going to move these across to that one. And then, because it's got to be precise this. Right. Okay, and then I'm going to save that as my. I'm going to save that into my music folder, and then I'm going to call it Please Kick. Save it, and then I want a snare sound. Snare sound. That sounds like a nice one, so I'll use that one and I'll play that onto there because it sounds like it's got a bit of a hat in it as well. Right, and then I shall save that again as Lee's snare. Okay, and then what I want now is an open hat, which is good because this one already actually has hi-hat in this bit, so I can play this one to there, and then probably move that down a bit actually. About there. Okay, and then audio file, save section as these open hats, and then I want a closed hat now, so okay, I'm going to zoom out a bit so I can see what I'm doing. Sorry, excuse me. There we go, that's a nice one there, so I shall zoom in on that gradually so that I can put it right where it starts. Go here, and then out to about nope, actually no, that doesn't work. Right. Right, okay. Put that one there, and then turn out that. Right, and then audio file, save selection as Lee's closed hat. Save. Right, now what I'm going to do after I've done that is I'm going to close my sample editor because I want as much room as possible. And then I'm going to open wrong one, EX24, EXS24, right, and then mono. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into edit, because I want to be able to play the sounds on my keyboard. And then instrument or samples. But it matters in the order which one you want to do this, because it matters where on the actual keyboard you play it. So first thing is I want to add my kick. Then I'm going to add my snare. And then I'm going to add my open hat. And then I'm going to add my closed hat. And then done. I want the zone width to be 2 notes. Okay. And then what I want to do is I'm going to call this group 2, and then I will group view, and then no view group. And I'm going to ungroup my kick and snare, and then I'm going to group open my hats are already grouped, so then delete unused group, and then groups again. And then what I want to do is I want to put that to the minimum, because you want the drums to sound as realistic as possible, and you can't play an open hi-hat and a closed hi-hat at the same time. It's just impossible. So that's then done, and then I'm going to save that now. Lee's drums 1, save, and then hopefully this shall work. It's a bit so you can hear it. There we go, and that's that working. So that's my sampler editing. That's my sampler editing done.